Peekaboo! Hi, I'm Miss Kate, and this is my friend Doggy. Can you say hi? Hello! Hi, Doggy! Hi! He's waving! Hi! He said he's hungry. Let's get him some food. Here's his bowl. Let's put some food in the bowl. Let's put it in. Ready? Put in. See the food in his bowl? Here you go, Doggy. He said that's good, but he wants some more. Doggy wants some more food. He wants some more food. Let's get him some more. Pour in, put in. I put the food in his bowl. That's good. Okay, he's all done with his food. He's all done. Now Doggy says he's thirsty. Let's get him some water. Pour in. Pour in. Pour the water in. Here you go, Doggy. Here's some water. He's not thirsty anymore. Thanks, friends. Thanks for helping me feed my doggy. Hi, friends. I have a ramp, and I have a car that I'm gonna make go down the ramp. Can you say that? Go down. Yeah, go down. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Should we do it again? Should we do it again? Yes? Okay. Let's get our ramp ready and our car ready. Vroom, vroom. It's time to go down. Let's go. Ready, set, go down. Whoa, we got stuck. Let me give it some help. Woo! Good job, car. Should we do it again? Yes? Okay, here we go. All right, ready, set, go down. Woo! Yay! Yay! The car went down. The car, vroom, vroom, went down. I'm gonna make a ramp out of the top of this box. I have another car. I have a bigger car. Ready, set, go! Go down. Yay! Wow. Let's do that again. Let's do it again. Okay, ready? Ready? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. So fun. It has 4 wheels with beads in it. It's ready to go down. Ready, set, go! Whoa! It went down. It went down. Ooh, let's try that with another toy. I have a ball. Do you think the ball will go down? Yeah? Okay, let's try it. Ready, set, go down. Whoa! That was really cool. Do you think we can make the car go up? Up, up, up. Let's make the car go up. Vroom. It's going up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Whoa! Should we make it go back down? Yeah? Ready, set, go down. Whoa. Let's do it one more time. Let's make it go up again. Up, up, up. The car is going up. Up, up, up. And down. Yay. Clap, clap, clap. Yay. Thanks, friend. Look, I have a cup here. A blue cup. Let's add more. More. We're building up. Blue and red Let's do some more. Blue, red, orange. Up, up, up. Let's add yellow. Yellow, blue, red, orange, yellow. And let's add some more. Let's put on. Yeah, there we go. Blue, red, orange, yellow, purple. Yay! Should I knock it over? Should we make it go down? Yeah. Ready, set, go down. Whoa, it crashed. It fell down. Yay! Hey friends, check out my super cool red ball. Watch this. Can you say put in? Put in. Yeah, okay. Put in. And look, when I open the door, there it is. Wow, let's do that again. Put in. Put the red ball in. And open up. There it is. Peekaboo. Let's do it one more time. Put in. Put in. Yay. And open. Open. Look, there it is. Yay. I have some coins too that we can put in the smaller hole. I have a blue coin we can put in. Put in. Green. Should we put it in? Yeah. Put in green. Red. Red. Let's put red in. Put in. Uh-oh, I got stuck. In yellow. Let's put yellow in. Yellow in. Yay! Let's open. Can you say open? Open. Open. Peekaboo! There they are. We have all the coins. We have the blue coin, the yellow coin, the red coin, and the green coin. Hi, this is my friend Baby. Can you say, hi, baby? Hi, baby. Say, hello. I have my really special tissue box here. I want to show you what's inside. Let's sit, baby, right here. Let's take out. What color is this one? Yeah, it's blue. Baby's hiding. Baby's hiding behind the blue tissue. Peekaboo. She was behind the blue tissue. Peekaboo. So silly, baby. Let's take out some more tissues. Let's take out more. Ready? Take out. What color is this one? It's red. It's a red tissue. Baby's hiding behind the red tissue. Peekaboo. Hi, baby. So silly. Peekaboo. Let's take out more tissues. Whoa! What color is this one? Yeah, it's pink. It's a pink tissue. She's hiding behind the pink tissue. Let's say, come out, baby. Come out. Peekaboo! You're so silly. Let's do some more. Take out. It's yellow. It's a yellow tissue. Baby's hiding behind the yellow tissue. Peekaboo! Let's do some more. Let's take out the last one. The last one. It's red. The last tissue's red. She's hiding behind the red tissue. You're so silly, baby. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Yay, we found you. Yay! I have this really cool wheel. When you tell me go, I'll make it spin. Ready, set, go! Whoa! It stopped spinning. Should I do it again? Yeah? Okay, ready, set, go! Whoa! It's so fast. It was going so fast. Should we do it one more time? Okay. Ready, set, go! Whoa, that's so cool. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for playing with me today. I'm so proud of all your learning. I'll see you soon. Bye.